Welcome back to my channel. This is K from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox mirrorless camera from Lumix DC G100. This camera released on 2020. It has effective pixel of 20 megapixels. It can record video 4K up to 30 fps. Okay, let's open the box. This is the camera straps. It has a Lumix G on it. Cable charger. Head charger. $1000 mAh battery, a warranty card, this is the manual book, this is a Lumix DC G100. It's a socket for a microphone. This FN button can be customized. You can use this scroll to focus the viewfinder. You need to open the flashlight manually. Quarter screw socket for mounting to tripod. You need to lock it manually. you can turn it down 90 degree. And you can turn it up for 180 degree. There are sensors beside the viewfinder. When you block it, the screen will automatically turn off and the viewfinder will automatically turn on. This is the camera main menu. You can choose the aspect ratio. The picture size is divided into 3 different sizes. You can record up to 4K 30 fps. For record, you can choose the slow and quick mode. In this mode, the record result will be quicker or slower. You can make it quicker up to 8 times and slower up to 4 times. I will show you the result. I try to record a video at night to see the result in the low light situation. As you can see, it's too dark to see anything. I will give you some photo result. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit like button and subscribe.